Let's go. Create insert document. So what happened right now? We are adding one document where inside of your student. Are you getting or not? Okay. So because what happened? We created database that is called name is what? School. Inside of the school, we created one category that is called what? Student. It is not in the table format. We create one category that is called student, and inside of the student we are putting one data that is called insert one. Means insert one means what? I'm inserting one only student that is called Aminata, age and to their gender. Okay, so let's do that. I'm going over here and starting to the right also. DB, inside of the DB dot, make sure that you are using a database that is called Schoola. That is important. Okay, DB. After that, what? A student, right? What happened? Okay, student, students, right? As a that category name, right? After that, what happened? I want to insert only one. Okay, one record. Are you getting? I want to insert only one record using by this one. Okay, after that, what you need to write inside of the name. Why it's going like this? Okay, when I'm writing, it is going down. Okay, name. Then what happened? Name I want to write first over here. It is going down again and again. See, no, it is what happened. My shell as I think so miss. So what I'm doing, I will be do one thing. I will be reopen again that simply. So it will be not going to be a close. So let me close it again. I will be go over here. I think so. It's miss something is not working perfectly. So I will be write again that what is that? Mongo shell, right? Isn't it? What I want to be search over here? Mongosh, right? Mongosh. No, it's not coming. What is the name? Let me check again back. Mongosh, right? It's not coming. Let me search in the search engine. Mongosh. Okay, right now it's came. Okay, again we need to put to that local host. Okay, what is that local host? That's why I wrote it over here only. Okay, over here copy. I will be pasted. Enter button. Okay, right now it started. I want to see the show DBs. Okay, enter. I can see all DBs which one we created as a school also. Then I want to say that I want to use my school. Okay, now I switch with the school, right? Isn't it? Then after we already created to the student as one category. Okay, directly we are storing DB. Isn't it DB what we are writing previously? DB. Then after dot student. Okay, students. Then again dot insert insert into, right? Insert one. Okay, one record I want to be insert. Then after brackets, then after letter we want to use to the curly bracket open, curly bracket close, check up properly. Then I will be right inside of that name. Okay, name is what? Aminata. Okay, Aminata. Then after again comma, what happened? Age. Okay, age is always we are writing in the without quotation. Suppose Aminata age is the 20. Okay, then comma, what happened? Grade. What grade she got? Okay, grade. What is that? A. Grade A. Are you getting? And there is no semicolon end of the section. Okay, just hit enter button. You can see the record is inserted properly, and every purpose they are creating by default their own ID. Are you getting or not? Okay, you can write in the different line also. Okay, but I'm writing in the one line. It is possible. It is not that much of hard. So right now we insert that. Then after, if you want to be served, are we going to be add one by one? No, guys. You can add to the many values also together. Okay, how we can add? just instant of a writing insert one, we need to write what? A insert many. Okay, simply what happen you can able to do right now. I am bringing as it is that all data. Okay, and then what happen? I am removing from over here insert, and I will be right over here, that is called what? Insert many. Okay, insert many. Okay, M should be the capital. Okay, and then after I will be added another name. Just what happened, we need to use to the comma, and we need to be add to the lot of data. Okay, like suppose I'm adding over here Joseph. Okay, and then after age maybe 25, and grade maybe O. Okay, then after one this record, I will be add over here again one comma. Okay, then again your curly brackets, and again data which one I want, like a name. I want to say that suppose another one, right? Suppose I'm writing my name Rohit, then after I will be going a comma, then again your age, then again I can write over here, that is called to the maybe 65. Okay, comma, then again your grade. Okay, again over here the grade, if suppose I got to the B grade. Okay, like that, and see, hit enter button. Okay, somewhere I used to the what is that, invalid. Okay, let me check that argument that does not meet to the array. I think so, I'm by mistake, I did the mistake somewhere. Let me check that. So I'm again calling this one db student insert many. Okay, then after, okay, see over here, they are using a your which bracket, that not the curly bracket, they are using over here square bracket, isn't it? So let me use, so square bracket is missing. Now everything is done. Now let's check that. I'm using enter button. Check it. Two records are acknowledged, isn't it? So right now we have the three records. So we learn that what, we create a database. After that we create the category. Then after category we see that also, we see the collection also. Collection means the category, isn't it? Then after we insert one data only inside of that category or inside of that collection. After we insert many records together also. And right now I want to be a find that records, I want to see again back that. So we are using student db student find. Okay, simply what I want to be write over here, db dot student. Again that hack is happening. Students dot find. Okay, bracket open, bracket close, and enter button. Check it. I have to the two records, three records, right? One is first Aminata, second is what, Joseph, and third one is what, Rohit, isn't it? So it's worked perfectly. But sir, why it's looking like this? Because guys, it is the format. It is, we are not using anymore that flashy things. Because when you are directly communicating with the hardware part, it's look like that. Whenever you are lot of which one you are saying in the Google and that another different database centers, they don't have to their surface. Are you getting or not? They are using only the command line interface. Okay, that is we call as a CMD, command line interface. Command line interface. Okay, then apart from that, let's move it also the to forward. So show nicely format, so we can use to the pretty also. Okay, now use again same command. Okay, see, I use again same command, db student find, and write dot, what is that, pretty. Yes, I write that. See over here, pretty. And if you can enter that, now check out. Is it is coming in the pretty format? Huh? Okay. Now it's just your formatting your output. That's it. Okay. Find specific record if suppose you want to be check